Hi guys, this is the homework from last night. So I'm just going to go through it because I know that some of you didn't quite get through all of it, and I'll give you guys a chance to finish it and just bring it in. I'm going to go through each individual step with the order of operations, and then we're going to I'm not going to do all the math for you, but I am going to tell you step by step what should go in each step. Also, disclaimer, I'm just going to let you know I am at home and my child is in the bedroom with me, so you might hear some background noise and I apologize. So let's start with number 1. So we have 8 times 4 minus 5 squared divided by 4. So the first step is we are going to do everything inside the parentheses. So we're going to do 8, and then 4 minus 5 is -1, and bring everything down. Then we're going to do the squared, so this part, the exponent. So this is the same thing as writing -1 times -1. Remember, if we have a negative times a negative, so if you have the same sign, your answer is going to be positive, and then 1 times 1 is 1. And then you have 8 times 1 is going to be the next step. 8 times 1 is 8. And then the last step is going to be 8 divided by 4, and that is positive 2. So that's how you got 2 for number 1. Then let's go to number 2. Hold on, guys. Okay, so let's do number 2. Number 2, you have 14 divided by 2 times 3, all divided by 7, divided by 3 times 7. So the first step is you are going to do this part right here, 14 divided by 2, and then you're going to do that answer times 3 divided by 7 divided by 3 times 7. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you are going to do this section right here. So your answer to the very first step times 3 is going to go here, divided by 7 divided by 3 times 7. Then you're going to do this section here, and it's going to be that answer divided by 3 times 7. Then you're going to do this section here, and it's going to be that answer times 7. And then that's going to give you your final answer. Are you helping them? Okay. 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 Let's do number 2. No, I'm sorry, number 3. So number 3, we have 5 plus 2 squared divided by 3 times 2. Our first step is going to be this squared section here. So 5 plus that answer. Actually, let me redo this part. So 5 plus that answer squared divided by 3 times 2.
Mom.
Then we're going to do everything inside. Then it's going to be that answer squared divided by 3 times 2. Then you're going to do the answer squared. That answer divided by 3 times 2. Mm-hmm. Okay, and then you're going to do this section here. So that answer times 2 is going to give you your final answer. Okay, guys, I hope that was helpful. If you didn't finish it, just go ahead and make sure you turn it in tomorrow whenever you get to class, or just anytime, honestly, and then I'm going to move on and do the next homework assignment for tonight with the equivalent expressions. So send me a message to remind if you have any questions. Have a good night. Bye, guys.